Before diving into steak recipes, there's one thing you need to know that no recipe book will tell you. The real secret to a delicious steak dinner often lies in the technique and the sauces that perfectly complement the meat.
Product number 1, Easy Steak Cookbook. First up, we have the Easy Steak Cookbook by Chef Maggie Chow. What caught my attention here is the variety, 50 different steak recipes. For anyone struggling to find inspiration for dinner, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook includes recipes for tangy sirloin steak, steak parmigiana, and even Asian-style steak kebabs. Imagine serving up these flavorful dishes and impressing your family or friends. The diverse recipes mean you can switch things up throughout the week, so you're never stuck with the same old boring steak. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The tangy flavors and cooking methods help you create memorable meals that can satisfy any steak lover's cravings. And with no upfront cost for the Kindle edition, you have nothing to lose.
Product number 2, the Perfect Steak Cookbook. Next, let's talk about the Perfect Steak Cookbook by Will Budiaman. This one's all about techniques and includes 75 meaty recipes, which really caught my eye. If you want to master cooking steak, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook organizes recipes by meat cuts, like rib, round, and sirloin, making it easier to navigate based on what you have at home. Plus, it features a chapter dedicated to sauces, from classic bordelaise to lively chimichurri. Here's why this matters for you. Using the right sauce can elevate the flavor of your steak, taking a simple meal to a whole new level. However, some reviewers mentioned that the sauce recipes can be more complex. Here's the thing though, it's all about balance. If you're willing to put in a bit of extra effort, the payoff is a steak dinner that wows your guests. This is perfect for you if you want to explore different cuts of meat and sauces. Skip this one if you're just looking for quick and easy recipes without any fuss. For the price, which is also free, it's hard to beat the depth you get here.
Product number 3, Steakhouse by Eric Wareheim. Now, moving on to Steakhouse by Eric Wareheim, this one intrigued me, not just for recipes, but also for the stories behind them. It's priced at $34.57, which might seem steep, but if you're a steak enthusiast, this is worth a serious look. This book dives into the history of steakhouses and shares recipes that have stood the test of time. The intimate stories and tips on the best cooking methods make it more than just a cookbook. It's an experience. Here's why this matters for you. Understanding the history behind these recipes can really change how you appreciate each meal. Now, it is a bit pricier than the others, and some may find it hard to justify spending that much. But for true steak lovers who want more than just recipes, it's an investment in culinary knowledge that pays off. This is perfect for you if you appreciate the art of cooking and want to learn about the culture of steakhouses. Skip this one if you're only after quick recipes without the narrative. The value here lies in the stories and techniques that come with the price.
Product number 4, Beef Dinner Cookbook by BookSumo Press. Priced at $10.14, this cookbook caught my attention because it's not just about steak, it's about all beef recipes, which offers great variety. If you're looking for diverse dinner ideas that include beef, this is worth a serious look. With recipes like south-of-the-border meatloaf and Jamaican beef patties, it caters to different tastes and occasions. This variety is perfect for families who want something different each week without getting bored. Here's why this matters for you. A well-rounded recipe collection means you can enjoy beef in many delicious ways, keeping dinner exciting. Some people did mention that it lacks a focus on steak specifically, which might not suit everyone. But here's the thing, it's a great choice if you want to explore different beef.
Product number 5, 103 Delicious Meat Dinners.
Finally, we have 103 Delicious Meat Dinners by Demea Dine, priced at $11.99. This cookbook piqued my interest because it caters to meat lovers with a focus on satisfying meals. If you want hearty dinners that include steak, this is worth a serious look. The book features a variety of meat recipes, ensuring you have options that can fit any occasion, from casual dinners to fancy gatherings. Here's why this matters.
When you have a range of meat options, you can impress your guests and satisfy everyone's cravings with ease. However, some readers pointed out that it can feel a bit overwhelming with so many options. But honestly, if you're someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this abundance is a treasure trove. This is perfect for you if you love meat and want to explore numerous recipes. Skip this one if you prefer simple, straightforward steak recipes without the extra fuss. For the price, it's a solid choice for any meat enthusiast.
So, to wrap it up, we started with the Easy Steak Cookbook for simple recipes, then moved on to the Perfect Steak Cookbook for technique lovers. We explored the rich stories in Steakhouse, the variety in the Beef Dinner Cookbook, and finished with 103 delicious meat dinners for meat enthusiasts. Each has its unique charm, so pick the one that fits your cooking style and enjoy creating some delicious steak dinners.